Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Can you express f of 4x in terms of f of x? This is the given question. But before I solve this problem, you can pause this video and give it a try. Note that we only need the solutions in terms of f of x only. F of x only. Have you gotten the answer yet? If not, you can continue watching this video and drop the like and subscribe to this channel. Let's consider the solution. From the given problem, we have f of x equals x squared minus 4 divided by x. This is like a quadratic function. But suppose I break this thing down into x squared over x minus 4 divided by x. And with this, we are going to have f of x equals x1 cancelled x here. We have x only minus 4 divided by x. I want to do something here. Suppose I write this thing as x minus 4 into bracket of 1 divided by x. So on getting this, I want to make 1 over x the subject of the formula. So we have f of x equals x minus 4 into bracket of 1 over x. Suppose I multiply both sides by 1 divided by 4. So we can see that this f of x will multiply 1 over 4, and we have f of x over 4 equals x multiplied by 1 over 4, that is x over 4, minus 4 will cancel 4, and we have only 1 over x. So if I make only 1 over x, we have 1 over x equals to x divided by 4 minus f of x divided by 4. And you can also write this thing as x minus f of x all divided by 4. This is for 1 over x. And after getting this, suppose again that from f of x equals x minus 4 over x, we try to substitute for 4x. We have f of 4x, substitute into x minus 4 over x. We are going to have it as, so let's replace it with 4x. We have f of 4x equals 4x minus 4 divided by 4x. If 4 cancelled 4, we have f of 4x equals 4x minus 1 divided by x. And next, since 1 over x is given as x minus f of x divided by 4, we substitute to this, and we are going to have f of 4x equals x minus, or before that, we are going to have 4x minus open bracket x minus f of x divided by 4. So by expansion, we have f of 4x equals 4x minus x plus f of x all divided by 4. We have to find the LCM, which is 4. So since the LCM here is 4, and 1 in 4, that is 4 times 4x, we have it as 16x, minus the other will be x plus f of x. And again, we have f of 4x equals 16x minus x, that gives us 15x, plus f of x divided by 4. Truly, we've obtained f of 4x in terms of f of x, but this is still x. we want to leave everything here in terms of f of x. Let's try to look for the values of x. Now to get the value of x, we're still going to consider from here. If I multiply through by x, we are going to have x f of x equals x squared minus 4. And I'll make x squared the subject of the formula. Let's say if I take the whole of this to other side, we have 0 equals x squared minus 4 minus x f of x, and which we can rewrite this thing as x squared minus x f of x minus 4 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. We need to look for x. Note that a here is given as 1. We have b as minus f of x, and we have c as minus 4. So for x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then we are going to have to substitute everything here. So x equals, we have f of x minus cancel minus plus the square root of f of x, we take squared, then plus 16, all divided by 2. So this is what we have in short. And since we have gotten the value of x, so we are going to substitute this thing back into the answer we got before, which is f of 4x equals 15x plus f of x all divided by 4. By replacing x with the whole of this, we are going to have f of x equals, suppose I divide this separately, 15 over 4 into bracket of x will now be f of x minus plus the square root of f of x squared plus 16, then all divided by 2 plus f of x divided by 4. So the final answer becomes f of x equals 15 divided by, we are going to have 4 times 2, that is 8, into bracket of f of x minus plus the square root of f of x squared plus 16, then plus 1 divided by 4 f of x. So this is what we get for the solution. Thanks for watching, and everything has been expressed in terms of f of x. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye. So this is f of 4x.